Why am I recording this bit here? Because I forgot to record it in the garage. Right, so we are back at the car. Welcome back. And basically, we have spent about 6 or 7 hours sorting out the electricals. So I'm just going to show you what this looks like. As you can see, that is a bit of a mess. Now, the important bit is that we actually know what all of these things are. So when we were going through it the other night, we decided to unwrap everything so we could trace every single cable back. It doesn't help that the cables under the dash are all red. So it's a little bit of a pain chasing those, but we know what all of these cables do now, and we've actually managed to test them. So we now have our ignition works and our dashboard lights up, and we've got indicators and hazard lights. The fan is now working. We had a bit of a problem with that because somebody had previously put in a 10 amp fuse. So we thought, well, that must be the correct one. Turns out actually after we uprated it to 20 and then to 30, eventually it was fine, but we did go and check online to make sure the 30 amp fuse was appropriate, which it is. So we've got the fuel pump, the fan working, everything's working, and it turns over, and now we're going to put fuel in it. So let's see how we get on. So before we started it, we wanted to check that all the cables have no live ends, there's no way of creating a spark, there's no splits in the fuel lines, because obviously we don't want fuel going everywhere. We do have a fire extinguisher, we just really don't want to use it. Right, as you can probably see, we have lost the light, and we were really hoping to get this started. So first problem was the switch failed to actually run the fuel pump. Then the fuel pump itself failed. It wasn't a fuse, the actual fuel pump went. It just seems that sitting around for 5 years and then trying to get it started was too much. So I went home, I got another fuel pump, and then we've had a few problems wiring it in and getting a decent earth for it and things like that. But we've now got it in, and we're going to try and start it. So let's see how we get on. Let's make sure first of all the pump isn't going to come off. Right, where's that little nozzle? Let's see if we can put a bit down the tube, because some pumps don't like trying to start dry. We just can't get the pump to prime. So we are going back over the pipework again and again to find out where we've got a split and where the air is getting in. There we go. Yeah. You could hear that then. Yeah. Something wrong with that pipe. So that's,
yeah, or that filter.
Could be the filter, yeah. Obviously that wasn't the end of it, because as you can tell it sounded really bad, it wasn't revving properly, but it was turning over and running, and that's what we wanted to achieve. We couldn't get it done on the first night, so we're back here, we've got it done, we're happy. But we've got a running car. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.